Stop saying Gucci wrong. Is this word even real? You hear it everywhere, but when you try to say it, it just comes out sounding wrong. Let's get you pronouncing it like a pro. The correct pronunciation of this word is Gucci. The key here is that the G sound is soft, not hard. Think of the goo in goose or good. It's not a G like in get. The second part, CCI, sounds exactly like the word cheetah. It's not a chi sound like in cheese. This word is tricky because the Italian spelling CCI often confuses English speakers who might try to pronounce it with an S sound. The CCI in Italian is always pronounced with a CH sound, like in the word choose. Here are two examples. She bought a beautiful Gucci handbag for her birthday. The store sells a lot of high-end brands like Gucci. If this one was hard, the next one might surprise you even more. So make sure you don't miss it. Like, comment, and share this video, and let me know in the comments what other words trip you up. Keep practicing, you're doing awesome. See you in the next one.